Know ye not that you are all children of Jah, temple of the living God? Jah said, I will dwell in them, I will be their God, and they will be my children. Fear not, for the Lamb has come.
Trust in Jah, for I don't cry, come dry your weary eyes. Just have faith and put trust in Jah, for I've seen so many years, people crying silent tears, wondering when life will get any better. Something's wrong, don't know where you belong. The wrong seem right and the right seem wrong. The world may seem upside down, but don't let that slow you down, Be at good heart and don't frown. Child of the Most High One, the Most High One. Don't cry, come dry your weary eyes. Just have faith and put trust in Jah, for